Vanguard is compression, saturation, and clipping at the same time, and it turns this sound into this and these. You can try it for free, but let me show you how it works. So the idea is simple. When you open up, Vanguard looks like a classic vintage compressor. Ignore the beta for now. You will have the threshold, attack release ratio, makeup, and mix. However, it comes with different versions. You have the classic vintage style, modern, more snappy version, and then the bass, where actually it tries to protect the bass as much as possible. I will come back to that very shortly. And then you will have the advanced menu, and it will give you a tube part with different options, sidechain, look ahead, link options, and of course a clipper with different modes, soft, warm, SMTH, hard, so 4 different options, and a delta to hear what Vanguard is doing to your audio. I wanted this to be as transparent as possible. You will see a stamp here saying powered by RSX, and RSX is actually a reactive spectral saturation engine. This is something that I've been working for months now, and it's finally ready for tube saturation inside the Vanguard. And my point was this: for many years we tried to make the digital saturation as good as the analog saturation, but we missed the plot. We can make digital saturation better than analog saturation because we have much more possibilities in digital realm to shape our saturation than analog. What does RSX do? RSX takes a look at this incoming sound, analyzes the spectral form, and based on the spectral form, actually changes the character of the saturation, which upper harmonics are applied, how much upper harmonics are applied. Meaning that if you are trying to saturate hi-hats, the Vanguard tube will behave differently if you are putting it on your bass. Because let's say if you are just saturating your sub bass, you will definitely have much more H3, H4, even H5 to get that real body to your sub. But if you are on the head side, you probably will be much better just using H2. That means that the harmonic behavior of your sound depends on your transient, loudness, but even the spectral character of your sound. Transient and loudness already exist in analog realm, but I think the spectral character, it is something that we can do on the digital for now. Enough for the words. RSX lives here. It's turned on default, but you can turn it on off if you want to. And then we have the smack. I'm gonna come back to that super shortly as well. Let's start with examples. Let's listen to the sound. So we have here, I prepared a couple of samples so we can try in A, B, and C so that you can hear what is going on. Did that before? After. Let's remove that compression so you can hear the original sound here. So what's happening? I'm in the bass mode, so I'm protecting the kick sub part. Let's turn on the So we are in the hot tube, so this will be a bit more aggressive. This maybe? I'm so proud of how the tube sounds and how the compression reacts, especially in the bass mode when you are having this type of drums. But it should be immediately tightens up and warms it up so straight ahead. Let's try another example. Here we have the hats. This time I want to actually get the transient behavior a bit better. What we're gonna now do, turn on the smack. Smack actually reacts to the transient of the sound in real time, meaning that it will try to reinforce your transient by saturating the transient part of the sound. So it's not gonna just volume up, it will saturate and make the transient smack. The name coming from, right? Without, with. Do you hear how those hats really smack, just cut through? Again, the compression is just bypassed, so you are hearing only the tube part. It's so good. And let's go continue. I have another sound here. Yeah, it's starting with drums, so it's because I'm more like a drum bass situation here. Let's get to the init now and do it on the real time. Slow attack. Yes. Down. Get a bit saturation there. I'm gonna use actually the cal here. It is more like in between tight and hot. Down. The other thing that is really fun sometimes is actually getting something like hot with the drum. Driving it up and then just like doing New York compression or kind of style. So you are mixing like this. Even here. Without. It is really good. And then you can even see the effect of the bass actually. Let me show you what classic does. Let's get a glue compressor here. If you start compressing this, it will grab the subs so hard. You can of course use the sidechain filter. Now we have only bass, so there's nothing else if you want to compare other thing. But even though your detection signal is not the sub bass, when the compression happens, it will still grab the sub bass with whole compression. So what I'm trying to say, it won't protect your sub. But we have this option here with the bass. Let's turn this off. It's easier to hear the difference. Let's say use the vintage. Let's do this auto. Or actually you can do it like this, so you can. Right? Without. Wait. But if you change now the bass, you see how the bass is protected? From bass to vintage. So this one immediately glues. I especially like this combo with you get the bass and then you get the tight tube together. Yeah. Let's remove that glue. From here to here. It's hard to explain. It's just like it makes everything softer, like a more silky. From here. It just adds step 2. Especially on the bass work, I would strongly suggest keeping the RSX on so that you can get this extra juicy harmonics. Okay, while we are talking about basses, what about just simple bass, nothing else? We have this. Vanguard. Out. Again, we are in the cal. If you want hotter, you can go something like this too. I really enjoy like aggressive cal on the bass. just brings that body in right the front. Okay, try something else. Synthesizer. Really cool sound. What I want is actually the smack, that pluck transients. I want to reinforce them a bit more. Right? A bit compression, a bit smack, a bit cal saturation. From here. From here. So cool. But okay, what about the leads? Now I'm gonna just quickly go because probably you understand how the Vanguard works now already without. Especially for the leads, when you get the smack and the hot saturation together, it really pops them so hard. Here. It's so good. Okay, what about the vocals, right? I have the vocals here. Without, we have here.
I won't see your face again.
Wait.
I won't see your face again.
Again.
I
Wait.
won't see your face
Without.
again.
Again, the magic is actually, to be honest, not only the compressor itself, but that saturation just pops the vocals so hard.
I won't see your face again. My way.
And of course, the levels are evened out too. That helps a lot too. What about more weirder vocals? We have here. Without.
Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking
Right?
bass? Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking bass?
Just makes it ready on the go because you have really more or less everything. In this case, we are clipping here too, evening out hard because this type of vocals, think about it, modern production techno house, you want to have them like a lead sound, smack. So we are compressing, saturating, clipping all at once.
Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking bass? Where's the fucking bass?
This immediately makes it ready right on the go to your sound. But the drums were like a drum buses, but let's say we tried a bit more on the bass buses and other. Let me bring this in. Low end bass. Let's get into the bass. We are in auto makeup, so we are gain matching most of the time here now. Get that tight. Hell yeah. That soft, slow glue. Without. With. Without. With. Can you use it on whole track? Of course you can. Let's use on the master here. Get that gentle. Get it tight. Hell yeah. Get in the maybe even without. Okay, volume up it. Maybe we should use vintage here. Without. With. Without. I really want you to try it yourself in your own tracks, in your own samples and synthesizers, instruments. And because of that, you can actually try Vanguard 7 days free. No hassle, nothing. Try it on your tracks, feel and see if it is something for you. And as usual, the launch price is only 39 euros and after that it will be 49 euros. And I want to keep the price as usual on the low side as well. And I'm really looking forward to hear what you will do with it. Links are on the description.